how to enable live photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up a TikTok app and then you'll need to go to the plus icon at the bottom, and then you can see the gallery icon. Tap on it, it's on the bottom left, and then choose the live photo that you want to upload and then hit next. So you can see the live icon at the right hand side. You can just tap on it, and if it is crossed you can just tap on it and then create a live photo. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.